Are you using AI agents? Of course you are. Most organizations already use AI agents quietly. They assemble reports, summarize meetings, create work breakdown structures, and provide answers to general questions or even organization specific policy questions using RAGs. That is safe and useful. The real question is what happens next? If you push agents beyond reporting without guardrails, you invite compliance risks, data loss, reputational damage. Today, I will show you where the line is and how to expand safely, and 3 workflows that deliver real value without creating new risks. What is an agent? An AI agent is a Gen-AI client with tools that can accomplish various tasks, memory that provides the context, and actions that reads from systems, reasons over context, and produces an output, an action, using appropriate tools. Treat it like a junior analyst, high utility, but only if boundaries are explicit. Reporting and summarization are the stable baseline. Read only access, no production changes, outputs as drafts. Examples include incident ticket summaries, weekly cloud cost snapshots, customer meeting digests. These produce measurable time savings with minimal risk. Problems begin when agents receive update access without controls. You may start hearing horror stories, dropped leads, offensive emails to clients, or mails with wrong information that erodes your credibility. Personal data leaks, sending person A's information to person B, doing wrong updates with some old data. None of these are technical problems. They are governance failures. Now, let us look at setting up the safe expansion ladder. Use a staged progression. Start with read-only data retrieval. Then progress to draft outputs only, CSV files, draft tables, or draft emails. Then add human in the loop approvals for any change set. Having an extra pair of eyes is always helpful, like you are assisting or looking over the shoulder of a new employee. Then you can have controlled updates through a service account with least privileges, with rate limits, behind an auditable API so that you have audit trails all along. You provide final autonomy only inside sandboxes with limited updates, never against production by default. I can think of 3 low-risk, high-value workflows. Of course, there are more that you can adopt for your organization. Number 1, a ticket triage summary. The agent reads Jira or ServiceNow in read-only mode, classifies the tickets by priority and theme, and produces a daily briefing and a CSV file. Time saved, first line triage hours per week. Risk level is low because there are no writes. Second workflow, cloud cost analysis. Most organizations are using cloud computing now, and cost escalation is a major concern. The agent queries billing data, detects anomalies by service and tag, and prepares a weekly draft email to relevant owners. It never sends the email. you approve or edit before sending it. Time saved, financial review hours, and faster responses to spend spikes. Risk level low, as again no writes, only draft emails. Workflow 3, CRM lead qualification. Again here draft emails only. The agent connects to CRM like HubSpot, identifies leads with a qualifying criteria you mention in natural language, and generates draft emails to be sent to them. You can schedule this to run every Monday morning, and once you are in the office, you can verify and send out the mails. I did a demo video of this in an earlier video. I put the link in the description. You can go through that. Agents that only report are a good start. Agents that act without guardrails are a liability. The leaders who win expand agent responsibilities through a clear ladder. Read, draft, approve, then controlled updates. Always with least privilege and full auditing. That is how you convert hype, especially the Gen-AI hype, into safe automation and measurable time savings. Now, let me ask you a question. Would you trust an AI agent to update your customer data if every change required a one-click approval with full audit logs? Yes or no? Leave your answer in the comments. Hi, I am Ganapati Devappa, a premier instructor on Udemy with more than 10,000 students and a 4.5 instructor rating. My latest course, Generative AI for Managers and Leaders on Udemy, highlights the importance of early AI adoption through practical use cases, ROI, return on investment based strategies, and risk management frameworks. You can enroll using the exclusive coupon link in the video description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.